Hey guys, Santosh here. Just a quick gold overview on today's session, 17th April 2026, Friday. Before moving on to today's price action, let me discuss about a short explanation about what happened yesterday. As after seeing some initial overnight steep move on the upside, I can able to see this flat VWAP curve, which shows some mean reversion trade setup. That's the reason I have been mentioned in the yesterday's overview video that I will be looking for a mean reversion trade where I have been initiated a long trade around this -2 standard deviation plan, but somehow I got some exit over there in this candle in this two to three candles. But after the New York session, the sentiment has been shifted slightly towards negative side. Even I have mentioned in the inventory that it is in mean reversion. I am expecting some flushing towards the zero levels, which I have been expected at around this stage. But again, there is some aggressive sellers pitching in the market and continuously pushing the price even lower. So my bias would have been initially on mean reversion. Even I took a mean reversion trade, but somehow I got an exit. But after the New York session, it has shown some weakness in the market, and it even closed in the negative inventory and also with the price closed at the day's low. And if you look into today's price action, it clearly signifies after the overnight session, there is a mean reversion trade setup. Even till now, uh, till the London session opening, we can able to see a classic mean reversion, but price slightly inching on the higher side. Uh, but it is a pure mean reversion and balanced rhythm, rotational rhythm. So I'll be looking to enter a long on the -2 USD and enter short on the +2 USD as a mean reversion trade setup. But if I look into this inventory along with the price action, I can able to see prices showing some higher high. Prices keep on inching higher, though the inventory is showing lower low, which is that there is some selling aggression in the inventory, but the price is not pushing towards the lower level. It signifies that some passive buying absorption having control and absorbing this aggressive sell orders at this around just below the VWAP level. So it signifies that some sellers are getting trapped by passive buyers, and it signifies for me to go for long, but I would be waiting for some pullback towards the -2 standard deviation or below -1 standard deviation zone to enter long, which is buy position in gold in futures. And I will be expecting a target of +2 standard deviation levels, and also even slightly higher than the 2 standard deviation levels because of the price action, which is showing higher rise keep on. So there is an classic absorption happening right now because the inventory is keep on falling and prices keep on inching higher. The all this aggressive selling orders has been absorbed by some passive buyers. The reason I'm saying it is absorbed by passive buyers because as per the inventory, the price is not falling towards the lower lows, pushing to a new lows. It is sustaining over there, and inventory alone is keep on falling and building on selling aggression. So I would be looking to go long on a pullback on the -2 standard deviation zones. And similarly, if I see some reversal in the aggression inventory along with some price confirmation and the acceptance, then I would change my bias accordingly. Right now, I have been looking for a long trade, but in the pullback, not at the current levels. because the risk reward looks good at -2 standard deviation zone rather than entering right now. So that's it. That's it for today's overview. Thank you. Thank you so much.